On the occasion of the 80th anniversary of the Reserve Bank of India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi spelt out his vision of financial inclusion to provide relief at the door of the poorest of the poor of the country. He made a passionate appeal to the banks to open their chests for the poor and dispossessed of the country.
सारे गरीब, एक प्रकार से मार्जिनल फार्मर, एक प्रकार से दलित, पीड़ित, शोषित, वंचित, आदिवासी, ये सभी मेरे परिवार के सदस्य हैं और उस परिवार के एक प्रतिनिधि के रूप में मैं आज वित्त विश्व के पास मैं कुछ मांगने आया हूं और जब आप 80 साल मना रहे हो तो जरूर किसी को निराश नहीं करोगे, ये मुझे पूरा विश्वास है.
Besides calling for taking banking facilities to the farmers, poor and youth, Prime Minister also underlined his concern for the fast deteriorating environment. In this regard, he stressed on geographical integration besides financial integration.
ये हमारा किसान जब मरता है, क्या बैंकिंग सेक्टर के हृदय को हिला देता है? साहूकार से पैसे लेने के कारण कभी-कभी उसको मरने की नौबत आती है. 60 साल के बाद आज 80 साल हम मना रहे हैं आरबीआई के, तब क्या हमारे दिल में आवाज उठ सकती है कि भाई हम हमारी बैंकिंग व्यवस्था के हाथ पर इतने पसारेंगे कि कभी किसान को कर्ज के कारण कम से कम आत्महत्या करने की नौबत नहीं आएगी? क्या ये सपना हमारा नहीं हो सकता है?
Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said that government was going to implement the Mudra Bank scheme with the same mission mode spirit as was the case with Jan Dhan Yojana. This would facilitate easy credit to those sections of the society who were hitherto neglected. Finance Minister said that in the next phase of Jan Dhan Yojana, government intended to extend social security schemes such as health insurance, pension and insurance to the poor and marginalized sections of the society.
The next phase of the challenge is to provide a certain amount of social security to the holders of these accounts. And therefore, the next initiative in terms of an accident insurance, in terms of a life insurance, in terms of attractive pension schemes, to these underprivileged sections, with the support of public exchequer and the banking system, as also other insurance institutions, has been opened out to these people.
Reserve Bank of India's Governor Raghuram Rajan said that RBI was committed towards extending the vision of financial inclusion and protecting the interests of the consumers.
The poor are still too far away from or too uncomfortable stepping into bank branches. With government initiatives like the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana and the Mudra Bank, as well as new technologies, new institutions and new processes such as direct benefits transfers, I am confident that our country can empower the poor and the small with both choice and opportunities.
To commemorate its 80th anniversary, RBI is working on a roadmap of economic progress of the country for the next 20 years. This document is expected to be the lifeline of India's developmental plan. With Shama Mishra's inputs, Bureau Report, DD News.